today for your boy day. Do you want to do?
Yes.
Okay, today I need to go into report. What time to report? I need to take care of the counter reef, okay? Be back a late time. Got it?
Got it.
Okay.
Hey. Hey, manager, where's it? Over there.
I found it.
Hey, over there now. Yes, I do.
Great. Let's go.
Is thing a sea over there? Yes.
The down is let's head back to north. The needle master is going to be careful.
Haha, I need to go and repair. I need to build a house. I need to build it. You must put shadow work, okay?
I got it. Thank you for reminding me, okay?
Okay.
You must need save the Eureka.
Man, you must need to go clear the Eureka before we need to go.
To go to the dumpster.
That was a messed up the place.
Aha! Let me go. I have an idea. Today I need to go to make another counter reef on the world. Okay? If you want, supposed to. If you want supposed to make a mistake, then you're going to get not given the word. Understand?
Yes, I do.
Good. You must get. Get to work.
Okay, I guess I get to work. Hold on. Okay, I need to reboot that. I don't know to reboot.
That's okay, I guess.
Anyways, I have one thing to do. Wait, what is that?
Today, I need to go to get
over there. I have to say go over there. Okay, that's fine. Wow, I got it.
Good, let's do it.